So a couple weeks ago, we had a Mustang with a bad engine. Let's see what happened. I took the oil pan off, and there were pieces of metal and also pieces of the timing chain guide. Took the timing cover off, and you could see where the chain was rubbing up against it. Flippity floppity chain. The guide was just broken, hanging out in there. Take off the tensioner, and the chain started wearing through these guides. So we'll pull off the chains, and the camshafts, they still spin, but the crankshaft does not. Time to make a little mess. Oh no, the pickup tube is filled with gunk. Take that off. Next we'll pull off the connecting rod caps, and this is where most of the damage and ultimately the failure takes place. It spun all of the bearings, and they look pretty funky too. But the crankshaft does spin. Alright, so here we go. Take a look at these journals. We got some carbonized oil, some gouging, and some metal transfer. And now for the bearings. We've got some extra metal on most of them, but these two actually fused together and started to melt and press out the side. That's kind of crazy. Haven't seen it that bad in a while. But this story does have a happy ending. Got a new engine in there, and she lives to drive another day. If you enjoyed this video, don't be afraid to like and subscribe. We got a lot of different automotive content coming out. Just bought an R32 Skyline, so that's going to take up a lot of my time. Check back to see what's going on with that thing.